I'll show you how you can add a payment gateway on GoDaddy. First off, you want to go to your GoDaddy online store, and then you want to go to the sales section of the dashboard up there. After that, on the sales dashboard, you'll see that there's a getting started option, and then on the bottom there, you'll see payments, right? And on payments, you want to click on accept credit card. Now, by accepting credit card, we can start exploring our options of payment gateways. But for this example, I'm going to show you how we can add in PayPal. Now, on the payment gateway, when you click on that, you can see it'll say PayPal, right? On the PayPal one, you can click on the connect button, and then you have to follow the on-screen instructions. You might need to log into your PayPal account or other things like that. Of course, you'll need to provide details since this is something that's pretty important, a payment gateway, right? But after that, you'll see the connected status will be displayed besides PayPal, and you'll see that your payment method or payment gateway has been listed. You can see connected, account settings is done, and if you want to disconnect, there is a button down there to disconnect. Now, of course, the payment gateway for this method is pretty generalized. If you want to connect other things like other payment methods besides PayPal, of course, you'll just have to follow the similar method that I'm doing right now.